This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the fundamentals are ready. Check oil pressure, wastegate linkage, and boost piping for leaks. Once done, warm the engine to normal operating temperature so valve clearances and oil viscosity stabilize. Make your first test. Drive in a safe area and apply light throttle while monitoring boost and sound. This identifies when the flutter happens and why it occurs. Take notes of RPM and boost psi. They are your baseline for the next step. Now you diagnose the cause: unstable boost, weak actuator, or damaged turbo internals. Once done, remove intake piping and inspect compressor blades and shaft play. Even slight wobble causes flutter. Make sure the wastegate actuator has correct preload. Adjust the rod to change duty and prevent overboost cycles. Test the blow-off or recirculation valve under pressure. If it seals poorly, the compressing air will pulsate, so replace or rebuild it to restore steady flow and stop the flutter. Finish by reassembling components using correct torque and fresh clamps so nothing shifts under boost. Once done, perform a controlled road test. Log RPM, boost psi, and throttle position to verify the issue is resolved across the range. If flutter returns at high revs, make sure to repeat shaft play checks and verify oil supply and return flow. Insufficient oil causes bearing instability. Tip: if you see persistent flutter after these fixes,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.